What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're going to do a case review for the brand new Google Pixel 5. I also have a case for the 4a, that's the Covert 4. But one of my favorite cases of all time is the Atomic Slim from Ghostek. I just think this is one of the best cases that I ever own, and I pick it up for just about every phone that I get because I love that in-hand aluminum feel. I also like the protection that it gives you, but let's just go ahead and check out these cases and see what they're all about. The first case that we're going to take a look at, guys, is the Covert 4. Now, I have it for the Pixel 4a and for the Pixel 5. I really like the Covert 4 case because it is a slim type of case and it allows you to see the beauty of your phone, especially with this awesome sort of sage Pixel 5. You definitely don't want to cover that up with a case. It gives you a lot of nice protection thanks to their R2X material. But let's just go ahead and see what we get inside of the box. Now, what I like about Ghostek is they always give us these troll stickers, and it's a really nice sticker you can put on your laptop, which is what I actually did. Just taking a look at the Covert 4 before we go ahead and put it on the phone. You have a built-in kickstand, and I also like the transparent with the frosted look around the edges. I think they do a really nice job with the design of this case. Inside, there's that R2X material that's really going to provide some shock absorption if you happen to drop it. But you have this nice diamond pattern on the side, which really helps with the grip, which really helps keep this phone in hand. So let's just go ahead, plop in the Pixel 5 and see what it's all about. So just taking a look at the design of the Covert 4, I really like it, especially with this sort of sage Pixel 5. Here's the kickstand, so you can go ahead and watch your favorite Jabber Tech YouTube videos anywhere you are. It's a pretty sturdy kickstand, no problems with this kickstand whatsoever. But I also just like the frosted design. I like the transparentness of it, and that allows me to see this R2X material. That's giving you some really nice shock absorbing material. We also have a little case branding on the side that says Covert right over there. And this pattern on the side, again, really helps with that gripability. No problems with these buttons whatsoever. I definitely like the feel of this case in hand, and I like it because it is a see-through case. Just taking a look at the Covert case, there's a couple things I want to mention. You do have this R2 material on all of the four corners here. And you can tell that the corners are raised just a little bit, just to give you a little bit more of drop protection, a little bit more of shock absorption. If you happen to drop this on the corner, it's just a little bit raised, just a tad bit to give you more protection. You do have this clear back, this transparent back that's scratch resistant as well. And this was drop tested up to 8 feet, so you shouldn't have any issues with this slim case. The Pixel 5 is a beautiful phone, so you don't want to really cover that up. You really want to show that sort of sage. Now, of course, all of your cutouts are perfect. Wireless charging works with this case, no issues at all. And just taking a look at the camera protection, your camera is definitely well protected with the Covert 4. A nice amount of front lip protection as I give you this 360 bird's eye view. You can really see the amount of protection on this slim type of case. Again, I like this frosted look, this transparent frosted look, letting me see that R2X material. And it also will look just like this if you have the just black Pixel 5. You still can see the beauty of your phone, and you can still see it along the frosted edges. You can definitely see the color of your phone. It lays flat on the table as well. It's not rocking about with that kickstand on the back here. So just take a look at it. I think they gave you a very nicely designed case, both for the 4a and the Pixel 5. My absolute favorite case is the Atomic Slim case. I think this is an awesome looking case and definitely feels really nice in the hand. This is the Atomic Slim case, and this is a case that I really like. I like the overall aluminum frame feel in hand. It feels super sturdy in the hand. The clear back allows you to see the beauty of your phone, and on the inside, you have their R7X material. This is their shock absorbing material that's on all four corners, as well as on the bottom and on the top, just providing you with a very nice amount of protection. So let's just take a look at it. It is a two-part case. You can go ahead and peel this apart, but you really don't need to. You definitely don't need to separate this aluminum frame. So let's just go ahead and plop in the Pixel 5 and see what it looks like in the Atomic Slim case. This is what it looks like on the Pixel 5, and just take a look at that sort of sage with the black outline. Definitely an awesome case. I can't stress that enough. The aluminum feel in hand is something that I really like, and I like when manufacturers, again, give us a different type of material. Now, if we take a look at the buttons a little bit closer, I just want to show you the attention to detail. You can see the power button has a little power symbol, and the volume up and down rocker also has a little up arrow and down arrow. The buttons feel really nice. They are on the firmer side, but no issues with these buttons. There's a little Atomic branding on the side, and you have some little grippy material as well. So when you hold the Pixel 5, it's not going to fall out of your hand. And you can see that same Atomic logo and the little grip material on the side there. On the back, you have a scratch-resistant clear panel that's really being protected as well from the case. You can see the case is raised just a little bit. It's a little bit higher than that clear window, so really, you should not be able to scratch the back. Your camera is well protected, no issues with this camera. But the main thing that I really like about the Atomic case is the overall feel in hand. The aluminum frame feels super premium, super awesome in the hand, especially when you pick it up on a cold day. You get a nice little cold feel from the frame. This is a premium feeling case. It's a heavy duty type of case as well. 12 feet of drop protection. All of your cutouts, of course, are perfect. And taking a look at the front, you get enough lip protection for that front screen. And it's also tempered glass screen friendly, as you can see here. I have a tempered glass screen protector. No issues with this whatsoever, but it's really all about this feel. The aluminum feel in hand is definitely super premium. Again, this was tested up to 12 feet, so for those of you that need a lot of protection, I say the Ghostek Atomic Slim is awesome. For those of you that just want a super premium looking case, Atomic Slim is awesome as well. But if you don't need something as heavy duty as the Atomic Slim, again, I really like the Covert case as well. You get this clear back, which is scratch resistant as well, and it is drop tested up to 8 feet, and you get the kickstand, so it really depends on what you need. But you know me, I say pick up both. I say pick up both of these cases, and you're going to be super, super happy with them. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.